Hey guys, quite chuffed with that one. I haven't done a bow drill in ages. I think the trick to that one was that lime wood that RJ sent me in last month's subscription box, and no, it worked really good. It's a nice wood. That was probably about half the time it took me last time to do a bow drill, so I'm really chuffed with that one. This stick, oh, I found that one ages ago, and as soon as I saw it I was like, oh, that'll make a good for the bow drill, and it did. And I used what do you call it, right, bank line, that's the word I'm looking for. Joe Price mentioned it, and it's a lot better than working with paracord. It hasn't snapped, stuck to the wood of the wood I was working with really well. You know, did its job, so I'm really chuffed with that one. Just want to show just practicing some skills again, some primitive stuff. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you next video. Bye.